The National Capital Delhi and the surrounding National Capital Region, NCR, once known for heavy crowds, traffic jams, and infrastructural challenges, has today become a symbol of modern India's infrastructure transformation. The leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, planned efforts began to change the face of Delhi. Today, with prestigious landmarks like the new Parliament building, Kartavya Path, and Bharat Mandapam, Delhi has earned a new sense of pride. On the other hand, the Delhi-Meerut Expressway has reduced the travel time from 3 hours to just 45 minutes. The Eastern Peripheral Expressway has diverted heavy traffic away from the capital. These projects have not only improved connectivity but also reduced pollution and saved valuable time. These are not just construction works, they are decisive steps towards reshaping the future of the national capital. This is the game-changing connectivity that is taking Delhi toward becoming a world-class capital. The inauguration of 2 important national highway projects built at a cost of 1,100 crore rupees. These are the Delhi section of Dwarka Expressway and 4 section of Urban Extension Road 2. These are not just projects but structures that will guide the region's mobility, environmental balance, and economic future. More than 3 lakh vehicles pass daily between Delhi and Gurugram on NH 48. To reduce this load and provide an alternative signal-free corridor, the Dwarka Expressway has been constructed. The multi-level interchange near the Shiv Murti is its most complex part, featuring a flyover above NH 48 and 2 levels of underpasses below it. Connected to this is a state-of-the-art 8-lane road tunnel that showcases cultural heritage, with a 10-lane surface road built above it. Multi-level interchanges have also been built at the Kherki Daula junction and near Yashobhumi, along with a special underpass. Similarly, Urban Extension Road 2 has been developed. Thanks to UER2, areas like Alipur, Bavana, Rohini, Mundaka, Bakkarwala, Najafgarh, Dwarka, and several parts of West and South Delhi will see revolutionary improvements in connectivity. This highway connects to NH 44, the Delhi-Panipat route, Delhi-Rohtak corridor, and the Dwarka Expressway. Traffic coming from Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir will reach the Delhi International Airport smoothly. This will ease congestion